It's your boy 100KZ back with another video. I know it's been a minute and I know it's been a while. Let's get into this cook-up video. I got a little something for y'all. I might start back dropping videos every week. Y'all already know what time it is. It's your boy 100KZ Beats back again. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you already subscribed, hit the thumbs up on this video. Let's get into this cook-up, boys. Alright, I'm gonna start with a new project here. I got a couple loops, melodies that I already cooked up. I think I'm gonna go with this right here. So I got some gross beat presets here. That I'm probably gonna just throw one of them on here, or probably a couple of them, and tweak them to my liking. Lately my go-to drum kit's been like the Wheezy, and I've been mixing it with like a Roddy Ricch kit, a free kit that I just found. See the 808s from this Roddy Ricch kit, what I've been using. I actually did tweak it a little bit, and I have my own version. I got a new kit coming out soon, so yeah, y'all look out for that. I got a new drum kit and a couple loops coming out, like 2 loop packs. But this Wheezy kit right here, if y'all ever looking for free kits, this one right here is a hit. I think that's it for this beat, boys. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all want to see more like this, I'm gonna start cooking up again. I haven't been making videos like this for a little while, but we back at it, so let's get it like crack at it. Y'all already know what it is. Comment down below. Let me know what type of video I want to see next. I've been mainly going at like the Atlanta or like Lil Keed, Gunna type beats and stuff like that. On my own new little flow, on the own new little wave. Whole lot of new shit, whole lot of new waves. Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy 100K back at it. Alright, we out.
808 alignments, bitch.
Say this your beat right here. Let me tell you